Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Sincerely Saturday, here again with a really simple DIY for your dinner table, hopefully your Thanksgiving Day dinner table. It's going to be DIY wooden bead napkin rings. And things you're going to need for this are going to be a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, some beads in whatever size you choose, needle nose pliers, some wire. I use 26 gauge wire, but you can use whatever you have, and scissors. Let's get started. So to begin, you're going to want to pull about 12 inches of wire from your spool, but don't cut the wire, just leave it connected to your spool. That's because we're going to need a little extra when we're connecting the wires together later. Then just go ahead and string on your beads. I found that I needed about 13 beads per napkin ring, but you may need more or less depending on what size and shape of bead that you choose to use. Once you have all of your beads strung, you're going to want to pull about 2 inches of wire extra. That is so we have a good handle to hold on to while we're spinning the wires together. Then we're going to wrap the napkin ring around our toilet paper or paper towel roll, and we're going to hold the wires tightly and spin the paper towel roll about 10 to 12 times. This is going to make sure that the wire is really tightly woven together. Then snip the end. I found that I needed to leave about 3/4 of an inch of wire, and all I'm going to do with that is tuck it inside one of the beads, and that is to make sure that it looks really nice when it's finished, but also to protect my napkins from snagging when we have them on our napkins. I hope you find that these DIY wooden bead napkin rings are as easy as I did. You could totally make these your own by dyeing the beads prior to stringing them or painting them. They would look great on any table for your wedding, anniversary, birthday, or baby shower. Find this and other amazing and fun DIYs at sincerelysaturday.com. Thanks so much for watching.